The law which governs the way organisations use personal information is changing. On the 25th of May 2018, the new General Data Protection Regulation will come into force, and the UK government will also implement its own legislation. The GDPR will replace the Data Protection Act 1998 and imposes much more stringent obligations on organisations in terms of how they use personal information. The GDPR will affect every organisation with employees and all other organisations that use personal information about individuals living in the EU. In some circumstances, it may also apply to organisations based outside the EU. In one of the more significant changes, the GDPR will impose direct duties on a data processor. A data processor is an organisation that processes personal information on behalf of another organisation. This could be in a wide range of circumstances, for example, in relation to the provision of services. The GDPR is very prescriptive about how you should achieve compliance. At the heart of the changes being implemented by the GDPR is the accountability principle, which requires organisations to be able to demonstrate compliance. This means compliance is now much more than a tick box exercise. The first step you should take is to establish what personal information you hold, how you use it, and who you share it with. With this information, you'll be able to start considering the steps you need to take to move towards compliance. The key issues you're likely to have to deal with are significant and range from reviewing and updating policies and procedures to training staff. There's a lot for organisations to think about, and the points we have mentioned are merely a flavour of the issues. The GDPR provides the regulator with extensive enforcement powers to deal with failures to comply. These powers range from fines to an ability to suspend processing activities. The fining regime has been well publicised. However, perhaps of greater significance is the reputational damage that could occur from a breach. This could be extensive, and you cannot insure against reputational risk. We have a strong track record of advising clients on their compliance requirements and advise some of the world's best-known brands. We work on cutting-edge data processing activities, including those with a cross-border element across new and emerging technologies. Our national team regularly advise clients on all aspects of data protection compliance and help clients to manage risk, including any regulatory action if things go wrong. As you will have seen, the GDPR represents a significant challenge to organisations, and time to get your house in order is running out. Please contact a member of the data protection team for more information.